people just want to be spoon-fed, or sometimes people want to be put on. Do you know what I'm saying? And you're like, I do want to put you on, whatever the case may be. But what I actually want to go and tap into is just like, why is it so important for people who actually want to be who want to follow their calling of their craftsmanship to attend workshops like this that you guys create?
I mean, we learn every day as humans, right? We learn each and every day. I think more than anything, yes, you can think you are the best actress or the best actor out there, but the most important thing, the good thing about